2019 Honda Civic Sedan. With less than 27,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.